In this video, we'll show you how to replace the belt on your Greenworks snow shovel. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks snow shovels. Be advised, your unit may look different from the model featured in this video. The following instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. Turn the unit onto its side with the belt cover facing up. While holding the belt cover down, remove the screws. Be advised there is a spring underneath the cover that may force it up when the screws are removed. Be careful not to lose any parts. Lift the cover and set aside. If the belt is still intact, remove it by turning the large pulley and firmly pulling the belt upwards until it comes loose. Install the new belt by guiding it into position and firmly pushing it onto the pulley while turning the wheel with your palm. Be advised that often a new belt may feel too small as it has not been worked in yet. Reinstall the belt cover and secure with the screws. Return the unit to the upright position. Install a battery and run the unit to verify that the belt was installed correctly. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow shovel will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.